When is Ash going so I can personally deliver it? Are you gonna go too, Myra? Three squeezers? Myra can squeeze with me and my taupe. I could fly in empty-handed. Yes, do it. Hey, Jasmine. Hey, Ricky Mama. Thank you, Tutu. Thank you for the heart, me. Oh, thank you, babe. Okay, so far everything has gone in. Oh my gosh, you guys should see my counters. It's like I went to the snow. I know we're not there yet. Almost. We're almost at 25. Tap, guys, and follow if you guys are new here. Thank you, Katie. Thank you, my love. Thank you, bestie. Yes, that's a CA if anybody wants to add. So far, it's pine panelin, citrus panelin, and watermelon pine glow and lemon cans. Pine products, I have pine panelin, the regular one, and then I have a big one, the 2 times one. I do have Walmart pine on the way, but my order hasn't came yet. Lemon Lysol. Why do you ask for that when I don't have it? I literally was gonna get it too, but I was like, should I? The big one is 6 and the small one is the big one's 6 and the small one's 2. How much is Roma? I don't have Roma, babe. I just have cans. She's gonna block me because I don't have Roma. That's her fave. Yeah, it's like a fluffy liquid. I tried to order Roma, but it told me I couldn't order it. I was trying to order it from Walmart and it was like not available. But I promise I tried to get it. I was being lazy today. I didn't want to go in. Yeah, you can send it on CA. I was being lazy. Are cans going in? Not right now. I put in the last cans that were sent for, but I still have lemon cans. I have lemon comment and OG. Okay, I just got 6. Who just sent 6 for Roma? No, I have, no, the 6 was for banana. Okay, because it said for Roma. I was like, what? Wait, you sent 2, babe? Okay, so I got yours then. I sent 1. Okay, what did you want to add? Because I got yours. Hey, T. So I got Roma's. If somebody else sent, where did you send it to? Because I seen the $6 one that came in that said for Roma. Thanks, Tiff. Roma, what did you want, my love? Hi, Reggae Mama. Okay, and then whoever sent, I wanted Roma. I don't have Roma, babe. Okay, I got Tiff's. Yes, it does. And if you sent for the Penalin, where did you send to? Because I didn't see it on CA. I got Roma's and I got Tiff's. The big Penalin. Thank you, babe. I got it. Okay, I got it, Rochelle. And then Roma, let me know. I said it first. Let me know what you want. Because you sent 6, but I don't have Roma powder. Okay, let me get Tips cans and the big penny lid. Hey, cat. Okay, this is the big panelin. And then let me grab Tips cans. Mods, if you guys can pin anything important that I might miss. Can I please have a smell check after the panelin? Yes, of course. Okay, let me make sure I got everybody's stuff. I got Rochelle, panelin, Tiff cans, and then Roma. You need to tell me what you want because I don't have Roma powder. Thank you for the heart me. And Tiff, any preference for your can fit? Yum, send me a plate. You choose, okay. Thank you, Tink.